Thanks for joining me. Got a problem with the little 107. The window on the passenger side is going down on the cank. It's not doing it straight and it's jamming. I think the reason behind this was down to the cold weather that we've had. We've had the freezing frost. The window is frozen closed and then moving it. It's either done something to the regulator or the rubbers have just got sticky on one side. We'll soon find out. First thing I'm going to do is just try the silicone spray down the channel and see if that frees it up and stops the problem. Let me show you what's happening. We'll just pop the ignition on and then put the window down. It goes down lovely, no problem at all. But then when you try to bring it up, it's moving away from the back and dragging into the corner. So it's either this channel down here is stuck or one of the runners on the side there is broken. So you see how it's just locking it up. If I pull it with my hand though, just keep it level, it'll go up and down all day long. It's just something's not quite right with that. So let's try this. Let's try lubing that up first and see if it makes a difference to it. So the first thing we're going to try is this stuff. This is Wont silicone spray. I'll put the link in the description to the Amazon shop. You can get the Wont silicone spray, which is about £3.50 a can. I think it wasn't too much more than that. This stuff is a little bit more expensive, but it's all the same. It's all pretty much of a muchness. So what I'm going to do is get that into the channel. We've got some in the can. There we go. Get plenty of that in there, and we can work that down into the runner. Let's get this up again. Try and get that. Oh, I see it's working already. It's just getting into the channel, so we might get away with this. This might be enough to sort the problem out. I'll get plenty of that in there, because it will just work its way down with the windows. The windows goes up and down. It's nearly empty, this can. It's not got a lot left in it. But let's go up again. Oh yeah, it's fantastic. Well, that saved me a job. I ain't got to take all the door apart. I might stick a bit in the other side as well. You never think it will go yeah, a bit like a rocket. Super slidey though, this stuff. It's really good. And I was saying about in the previous video, I've done the water leak problems where the door seals are leaking and stuff. A little squib of this around the door seal trim, just a little bit of that around the door seal trim like that. It repels water like you wouldn't believe. So if you have got issues with water leaks, chances are that will stop it. Anyway, back to the job in hand. Let's get some of this down into the channel on this side as well. Let's go again with that. I've done that, it's made it worse. Here we go. Here we go, let's have a look. Up and down, up and down. You can hear it sounds really gritty. Again, it's all the salt and stuff. This car does a lot of miles on the motorway. It's doing a good 400 miles a week on the motorway, and the amount of salt and grit that's being spread on there at the moment, it just gets into all the rubbers and trims and stuff. So that's not going to help the matters. It's going to make it a bit grimy. But that looks to me like we're about there. We'll work it a few more times just to make sure that things are good. Job's a good one. I'm well happy with that. So yeah, nice little job on the window there. Good fix. If that's been of use to you, I'll put links in the description, like I say, for the silicone spray. Drop me some comments. Would love to hear your comments. Always do. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.